Okay girls, so chapter number 5, topic resolution of a vector. Next topic, resolution is the process of splitting up a single vector into two or more vectors. Generally two vectors is called resolution of a vector. We have a resultant vector. This is a resultant vector f. When it splits, two vectors are obtained, two components are obtained, and this process of splitting a single vector into its two parts or two components is called resolution of a vector. The process of splitting up a single vector into two or more vectors is called resolution of a vector. Generally, a vector can be resolved into two parts called components of a vector. इसको हम parts of a vector नहीं कहते, इसको हम कहते हैं components of a vector. There are two components of a vector. First is horizontal component of a vector and second is vertical component of a vector. If we take a look to this picture of a right angle triangle OAB, in this picture OA is on x-axis, vector OA or line OA which is on x-axis, vector fx, vector is fx. So horizontal component, it is called horizontal component. Why? Because it is on x-axis, so it is denoted by fx. The component of a vector OA which is on x-axis, it is called horizontal component of a vector because it is on x-axis and it is denoted by fx. The vertical component of a vector is always on y-axis, always lie on y-axis, and this is called vertical component of a vector and it is denoted by fy. On the perpendicular, this axis is y-axis. अब आप देखिए y-axis पे कौन सा vector है, fy. So AB here is on y-axis, AB, which is vector fy. So it is called vertical component of a vector. On is this AB is on y-axis and it is a vertical component of this vector. So it is denoted by fy. So there are two components of a vector, a resultant vector f. First is fx which is on x-axis, second is fy which is on y-axis. The vector fx is called horizontal component of a vector and the vector fy is called vertical component of a vector. Now the magnitude of horizontal component of a vector can be described as, now we are considering again this right angle triangle OAB, right angle triangle. We are considering here right angle triangle OAB in which cos theta, अब हम बात करें x axis की, x एक्सिस के लिए हम लिखते हैं cos थीटा और y एक्सिस के लिए हमारे पास होता है sin थीटा, क्योंकि आपको पता है y एक्सिस इज़ परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेनस. अभी मैंने आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री इसीलिए पहले पढ़ाई थी कि आपको थोड़ा सा रेशियोज़ के बारे में पता चलेगा. तो cos थीटा इज़ बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेनस. आपने अभी पढ़ा था ना वो लाइन, उससे याद रखेंगे कर्ली ब्राउन हेयर से, तो CBH याद आया आपको. cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So here in this right angle triangle OAB, we are going to describe the magnitude of horizontal component of a vector. So the horizontal component of a vector is OA upon OB, क्योंकि हम ये कह रहे हैं बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेनस. अभी आपने पढ़ा था राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में दिस line which is adjacent to 90 degree and which is adjacent to hypotenuse is called base, and the line opposite to 90 degree or perpendicular is called hypotenuse. So here base upon hypotenuse OA upon OB is equal to cos theta. अभी हमने आपको ये बताया कि OA क्या है, fx because it is a horizontal component of a vector, so हम उसको fx भी denote कर सकते हैं. तो OA and OB represents fx and f. So fx upon f is equal to cos theta. OA रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है fx को, OB रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है f को, रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर f को. सो fx अपॉन f इज इक्वल टू cos थीटा. हम ये लिख सकते हैं OA की जगह fx और OB की जगह f. एंड fx इज इक्वल टू f cos थीटा. इफ़ वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट दिस, क्योंकि हम क्या मालूम करें, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट. तो हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट का जब मालूम करेंगे तो हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट इज fx. तो हमें fx चाहिए यहाँ से. fx इज अपॉन f इज इक्वल टू f cos थीटा. सो fx इफ़ वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट, तो ये यहाँ पर डिवाइड हो रहा है, वहाँ पर जाके मल्टीप्लाई होगा. तो fx इज इक्वल टू इक्वल की दूसरी तरफ जाके मल्टीप्लाई हुआ f cos थीटा. This is called the magnitude of horizontal component of a vector. Now magnitude of vertical component of a vector. Which is the vertical component of the vector? Fy is the vertical component of the vector. Consider in a right angle triangle OAB. Again sin theta vertical component के लिए sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. अभी हमने learn किया थोड़ी देर पहले trigonometry में sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here the perpendicular is AB, hypotenuse is OB. AB upon OB is sin theta. So here perpendicular is AB upon OB is equal to sin theta. AB is representing Fy. AB here is representing the vertical component of a vector Fy, and OB representing F. So AB and OB represents Fy and F respectively. Okay, so therefore we can place the values of AB and OB. Fy upon f is equal to sin theta. और हमें चाहिए vertical component of a vector Fy. तो ये वाला f जो है divide में इसे equal की दूसरी तरफ भेजेंगे तो multiply हो जाएगा. So Fy is equal to f sin theta. So here we have two magnitudes of horizontal component and vertical component. Magnitude of horizontal component is fx is equal to f cos theta, and magnitude of vertical component is equal to fy is equal to f sin theta. So if we resolve a vector into its two parts, we have horizontal component and vertical component. The parts of the vector or the splitted fragments of the vectors called horizontal component and vertical components. And the magnitude of horizontal component is fx is equal to f cos theta, and the magnitude of vertical component is equal to fy is equal to f sin theta.